Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to add friends on Facebook. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open up your Facebook app. Then you'll come across this home page. Now tap on the search icon in the top section of your screen. Now in the search bar, type in the username of the person that you want to add as your friend. Here you can click on See All button to get more options. Now tap on Add Friend button just beside the profile. Once the person accepts your friend request, both of you can be friends on Facebook. And that is how you can add friends on Facebook. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.